everybody, thanks for watching. If you're watching this, you probably already use a CPAP machine. This one's made by ResMed. And you know, to have optimal use of these things, you need to clean your mask every day. Well, SoClean is an automatic CPAP cleaning machine. Automatic in the fact that all you have to do when you buy this machine is buy a matching reservoir top that has this connected rubber hose. So you can use a CPAP each night with this on here, just like a normal reservoir. And then in the morning, when you take off your mask, all you have to do is remove your headgear. And by that I meant the straps that hold it to your head, like this one here. And then pop in your mask, as well as the little frame on the mask, into this unit. So you take off the fabric elastic headgear. The hose can fit on either side depending on how your bedroom is set up. And you just close that. Assuming you have enough water in there, you just press on, and this thing will run its manual cycle. So, manual? You can see that red LED on the bottom. This is about a 12-minute cycle. This will cycle from red to yellow to green. And automatically, we're going to have a thorough clean all the way from the reservoir through your heated supply hose, all the way up to every part of your mask and mask frame. So pretty slick. While you're doing that, you can do make your bed, brush your teeth, whatever you need to do, and then by the time you're ready to go, your mask is clean and ready for the next day use. Kills 99% of germs. 99.9% is what they advertise. Probably a little bit better than rinsing it off every day in the bathroom sink, but it's not without cost. One of these units, as of May of 2018, will run you around $300. You have to buy this separate for your machine. So $300 and change for that. But convenience and probably a little bit better quality cleaning. I'm going to hit stop here. Let's see, where's my stop button? Peek in there at the inside again. No real water. I'm not sure what magic they use to do it, but it comes out clean. And if you use this, it actually feels clean. So there you go. Quick, kind of a pro review, meaning we like it, of this SoClean automatic CPAP cleaner. That's it. If you like the videos, give me a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.